What's up everybody, this is Frankie D.
And Frankie LT.
And today we're going to roast some coffee, cup some coffee, and learn some barista basics. Check it out. Goddamn.
Yeah. One for the grill on the countertop, you have another one for the steam one, and then you have a third one that's going to be used for the portafilter. Very important that you keep the 3 towels always separate at all time. Yeah, you're never using the portafilter towel to like clean the steam one. I have my steam pitcher, I have a distributing tool so that I can distribute the coffee inside the filter properly. I have my little scale which I'm going to use to weigh the shots while they're pulling. I have a measuring cup on top of the scale. Grinder, my big scale which I'm going to use to actually measure the amount of coffee that goes inside the basket. Steps into pulling a shot of espresso. Unhook the portafilter, the first thing you want to do is rinse. Let's just say we have coffee inside our filter, get rid of the coffee, wipe it down, make sure that it's nice and clean, ready for the new shot. So now I'm just running a little bit of water through it. I want it to be as clean as possible. Turn it on and make sure that the portafilter on top of the scale says 0.0 so that top 13.7. I'm going to distribute the coffee. This ensures an even extraction. Once I have properly distributed the coffee inside the filter, I apply a decent amount of pressure with. While I'm tamping, what I'm doing is I'm keeping my fingers on the edge of the filter so that I'm actually making sure that I'm tamping nice and flat. Get rid of all the coffee that might be stuck right here on the side so it doesn't get stuck over there. I'm going to place my scale, turn it on, hooked up the portafilter, turn, and press it down. Okay, that's a 20-second shot of espresso. Technically, to me, it is a little fast. The dose is on point. The crema is beautiful, nice and thick. Because it was a little fast, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to close up the grind size. In this case, I'm going to go a little finer.
So you're going finer because it was too
fast.
Quick of a
Exactly.
run.
So this time, no matter how it comes out, we're going to taste it so that we have a better understanding of the coffee and what adjustments we need to do to it. It's also good to have a timer. Portafilter, place the cup, tear, and start.
So 20, what do you want, 24 seconds? 6?
I like to pull my shots anywhere in between 24 to 28 seconds. I find them to be properly balanced. 2 ounces on the spot, 22-second extraction, so it is still a little faster. And again, let's see how it tastes.
Ooh, damn.
So again, you're looking for a balance in between bitterness, sweetness, and acidity.
Okay.
That fill needs to be on point. See why it's so important to rinse out?
So that was what was just in this.
Right onto the shower head, yeah? 17. Beautiful. Hook it up, tear, press the button. It's very important as soon as you hook up the portafilter, you press the button, right? Because the shower head is very, very hot. Okay, so if you leave the portafilter attached with the coffee inside of it, it's going to burn. Okay. So as soon as you hook it up, press the button. Oh, that is looking good. 24-second extraction at 36.4 grams of coffee. Looks pretty solid. And this one is going to be for me to try. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers, man.
That's good.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I prepared a little bit of oat milk inside the pitcher, okay? I have a little guideline right there to tell me exactly how much milk I need to make a cappuccino. Now, because we have 2 cups, one smaller and one bigger, what we're going to do specifically right now is an espresso macchiato and cappuccino, oat milk, both. Yeah. I am going to purge before and after to get rid of condensation at the very beginning and any moisture inside the steam wand.
Yeah.
Slightly dipped in the milk, right? Not too far down, right there. at the beginning.
Big bubble.
And then I'm just gonna let it sit in there until it reaches temperature and turn it off.
How do you know it reaches temperature?
You feel it with your hand.
Just hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clean up the steam one again, purge again like I said before. Set this down and pass on to your shots. So I have my espresso, I have my cappuccino. Start off with a smaller drink right here. So circulate, keep it nice in motion, right? For that beautiful texture, silky smooth. Keep it in motion and then go directly onto the side. A nice dollop of milk. There you have your espresso milk. Same thing for the cappuccino. I keep this in motion, right? And I go directly in onto the side right here. Pour, 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 pour. And there's my oat milk cappuccino.
Nice. So the difference between a macchiato and a cappuccino is
Size.
just the size.
Just the size. This one first. That one is going to be a little bit more potent. It's the same amount of coffee, but way less milk.
Fuck.
A double short shot, okay? But it's going to come in a cappuccino-sized cup.
Okay.
The consistency of the milk is going to be that as if I was doing a latte, so it's going to be thinner than a cappuccino. Therefore, it's going to allow me to get my design instead of having a nice cappuccino type of crema where it's nice and flat and white.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I think.
Let's go.
Try it.
So so let's do the math really quick. I was doing a 1-to-2 brew ratio, so for every gram of coffee that I was using 2 grams of water, right? I was using 17.4 grams of coffee inside the basket. I was roughly pulling 34 to 36 grams of espresso, right? This time, for a short shot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 1-to-1 brew ratio. So I'm going to stop my shots around 18, no more than 20 grams of coffee, okay? Again. There you go. I have my shot of espresso. I have my oat milk. A little thinner than what I had it before for the cappuccino, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little higher, pour the base, boom, stop, get close to the center, and start layering.
That's beautiful, man.
Oh, flat white. Enjoy.
That's much better. Why is that better? I like this one.
You like this one better?
Yeah. So there's 2 shots in this. Is that why?
This is a double shot.
Double shot.
Yeah.
Because the other one.
But it's short. It's a ristretto.
What do you mean?
If that makes any sense.
What does that mean?
A ristretto, short shot.
Short shot.
That's an Italian way of
Why is it
saying
short?
Because we stopped it before.
It tastes significantly more like coffee.
Of course. It's a double short shot. So it's more concentrated.
Got it.
Right? So when you extract coffee, the first perception, right, that you extract, let's say, is all the acidic compounds of it, yeah? So if you taste a short shot of espresso,
Really strong.
it's technically a really concentrated shot, but it's very acidic, right? At the end stages of your shot of espresso, that's when it balances out, because that's when you're actually extracting more of the bitterness, right?
Okay.
That's good. That's good.
Right?
Regular milk would have been totally different.
Hold it much better?
Yeah. So now I show you how to pull shots and steam milk and make drinks. It's your turn to steam milk and make a flat white or a cappuccino. Whatever you prefer.
Shit. Okay, let's do it.
Prep the milk inside the pitcher, pull the shot, steam the milk.
Okay. Let's do it.
With one hand, keep the temperature, track of the temperature. With the other hand, you're going to turn on and turn off the steam one, okay?
Got it.
So this hand is going to
Gauge.
tell you if you're burning the milk or not, right?
Mhm.
Obviously, you want to turn it off before it gets too hot in your hand, okay?
Okay. Perfect.
Into the stove.
Oh yeah, so it's getting warm.
Turn it
And
off. Perfect. Now set it down. So keep this in a circular motion. There's no need to like grasp it hard.
yeah.
You just want to lay this on your hand, fingers around, and keep it in motion, okay? That's all
Okay.
you want to do. Okay, face me. This is what we're going to do, okay? So just follow my lead. I'm going to pour the base, and I'm going to get close to the center, right there, and close it. Uh-huh.
Okay. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and learning all about barista basics. I was super jittery that day from all the delicious caffeine and coffee drinks that I had. Go follow Liquid Element on Instagram and support Frankie. He has a delicious hand-roasted coffee. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.